Hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from Tech Fanciers. In this quick video, we are going to see that how to download and install Pitch Black Recovery in latest official Android 10 on Asus Zenfone Lite L1, Live L1 and L2. Also, I would like to thank Raza here for making this recovery for this device. So, let's get started. First, download the recovery from the link in the description and extract it and keep it both in your PC as well as in the SD card or even in internal storage. And also download the minimal ADB fastboot tool. Once you have the files in handy, go to the settings and enable the ADB debugging. And connect the device to the PC. Once you have connected, open the ADB tool and check for the ADB devices. If it is the first time, just allow the permissions. After that, reboot the device to fastboot by using ADB Reboot fastboot command. After that, check for fastboot devices. And now boot the device to recovery by using the fastboot boot and drag and drop the recovery file to the console and hit enter. As you can see that the device is booted to recovery. Also, the internal storage is not encrypted. Go to install and change the option to install img. Now find the recovery.img file and install as recovery. That's all. Reboot to recovery. You can detach the cable from the device. We have successfully installed the custom recovery on AOSP Android 10. We'll discuss things one by one in upcoming days. Please follow our channel on Instagram for instant updates. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next good one. Quote motto.